In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera settings on Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to enhance your video calls or simply adjust your camera for the perfect shot, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this step by step, making sure you understand every part of the process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There's an icon with 3 dots, which signifies more options. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you have access to all your team's configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Devices category. It's right there amidst a list of options. Click on Devices, and it will bring up various settings related to your audio and video hardware. Now scroll down until you see the video options. Within this section, locate where it says Camera. Here, you'll see the type of camera that is currently being used. For instance, you might have an HD webcam on your laptop. It's always good to know which camera you're using, especially if you have multiple options. Next, you'll see an option labeled Open Camera Settings. Click on it, and a new Properties window will pop up. This is a key step, as it allows you to refine your camera settings. You'll notice several adjustments you can make, including brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. These settings can significantly affect how you appear on screen, so take a moment to consider what adjustments might best suit your environment. To dive deeper into these adjustments, find the Camera Control option at the top right of this Properties window. Clicking there opens up further possibilities. Here, you have the option to zoom in or out and tilt the camera either left or right. This can be particularly helpful if you need to adjust the framing of your shot or if you want to focus on specific details behind you. Feel free to experiment with these settings. You might want to try out different combinations until you find the view that's just right for you. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can always return to these settings and tweak them to your heart's content. Once you're satisfied with the changes, simply press OK to save everything. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your camera settings in Microsoft Teams. I hope this walkthrough has helped you feel more confident in customizing your video setup. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.